I am Dr. Eileen Azdemir. I graduated from University of Arizona Center for Integrative Medicine Fellowship in 2012. Following our graduation, I attended a two-day workshop with Dr. Young. It was eye-opening because I've done other Chinese medicine courses I couldn't quite understand, and I just was fascinated by how he approached the whole body and whole system and bring 5 generations of Chinese medicine wisdom to our classroom. And then finally, in the Western world, I felt like I could adapt to that my general practice. I am also fascinated by his kind of using body trauma recovery approach, understanding the body's early experiences by using not quite kinesiology, but using muscle testing using the Chinese medicine elements, and going tracing back to many years, understanding the body's just genuine response. And indeed, actually, genuine response is something coming totally from a visceral response rather than what we think in our brain. And then lowering down to that kind of accuracy was fascinating to see in the classroom. And also it was a workshop involving our friends, and see their lives transform after the workshop was to me so exciting and inspiring. So following our reunion in 2020, and I found Dr. Young and was able to connect with him again. And I kind of experienced that firsthand myself. And going back to the many years of struggling with Lyme disease and understanding the ailments that my body has been through, and just currently what was the 52 years of age manifestations of it, and was very, to me, it was uplifting, and just removing the blockages and understanding the Chinese medicine wisdom and how we can actually imply so quickly and liberating way is just totally liberating. I am a practicing pediatrician over 28 years, and I'm a graduate of 2012 University of Arizona Center for Integrative Medicine Fellowship. I see a large amount of children and families and with special needs and autism, Lyme disease, and chronic illnesses. Implementing the basics of Chinese medicine and understanding the deep wisdom from Dr. Young, and using it for my own patient population and helping them to recover from early childhood trauma or blockages in their energetic pathways using these methods, and liberating to the level of function, to me, is the best gift that you can receive from Dr. Young. And I could not recommend his class enough. And I think it was the most valuable take-home message from my fellowship training and learning from Dr. Young.